Alright y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Clay Marie. I'm just showing you all my hair before I get in the shower to wash it. It is so dry. And just a tip, before you get in the shower, make sure your nails are filed. I have snagged a lot of nails on my locks, and due to that my nails have broken, but you do not want your nails tugging on those locks. So make sure you file your nails so they don't get caught up in your locks. So yeah, once I get in the shower, I like to drench my hair in the water. I let my hair soak under that water for about, I'm going to say 3 to 5 minutes. I like to make sure it's really wet before I start applying shampoo. Alright y'all, so for shampoo, I'm using something new. This is my first time trying the V5 Extra Body Volumizing Shampoo. I didn't really care for this shampoo, but I did like the fact and how it suds up on the first time that I used it. Normally, with the shampoo that I like to use, which is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo, it doesn't get this sudsy until I wash it a second time. So I really like the fact that this did that, but I did not like how stripped it made my hair feel. So when I'm washing my hair, I focus on my scalp during the first wash. I normally do 2 washes, and I just gently gently massage my scalp. I do not use my fingernails. I'm not trying to scratch or irritate my scalp, so I just gently massage the hair to remove any buildup. And for the second wash, I make sure to focus on all of my strands, especially the ends of my hair. So during the second time, I just focus on the ends versus what I did in the first wash with just focusing on the scalp. And once I'm done with the final wash, I go in with some conditioner. I use the TGIN Triple Moisture Replenishing Conditioner. I love this stuff, you guys. I have been conditioning my locks, I want to say for about 2 months now, I believe, maybe longer. And I love this conditioner. It melts in my hair. Without this conditioner, my wash day would not be complete. Like, it completes the wash day. So I really love this stuff. I am very generous with the amount that I put on my hair. Really want to make sure that it penetrates my strands. I love this stuff. But yeah, I'll go in with the conditioner, and I leave the conditioner on for the remainder of my shower, because after I wash my hair, I then go in and wash my body before getting out of the shower. So after I wash my hair, I go in and do a hot oil treatment. For this hot oil treatment, I'm using the Taliah Waajid African Healing Oil. I normally warm my oil up, but I don't think this oil was warm, but I sat under the dryer, so it's gonna get hot. Alright, so after I put the oil on my hair, I go ahead and put on a shower cap. I put on 2 shower caps because when is one enough? And then I sit under the dryer. And while I'm under the dryer for 25 minutes, I normally just watch YouTube. I'm actually watching one of my fitness videos, so make sure you check them out if you haven't already. I will be back posting hopefully next week, but your girl has not been feeling good. So yeah, but make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and like those videos. Okay, so now that I am done sitting under the dryer, I am just rinsing my hair out. I normally rinse it out real quick because I want some of the oil to stay in my hair. So I'm just rinsing it out before I put in my leave-in conditioner. And for the leave-in conditioner, I use the Taliah Waajid Protective Mist Bodifier leave-in conditioning spray. This conditioner does exactly what it says. It bodies, okay? You will have nothing but movement if you use this conditioner. I am not telling a lie. Taliah Waajid, y'all better sponsor me because look, y'all don't even have to. I would still buy it anyway because it's that good. And when I use this leave-in conditioning spray, I like to spray it in my hand and then apply it to my locks. Also, make sure when you're applying the leave-in conditioner that you are separating your locks. This just applies to after you wash your hair. Make sure you separate your locks because if not, they will start to marry one another, combine together, and it will hurt like hell. So make sure you are separating those locks. All right, y'all, and now I am done. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I cannot wait to see you all next month for my 1-year lock anniversary. I cannot believe it. I will see you all soon.